Featuring advanced textile fabric and unsurpassed weather protection, the TEC ST is the premium 3-layer all-weather road touring jacket. With superior technology like the GORE-TEX Pro textile fabric and a removable full thermal liner, the jacket provides 100% insulation from the elements. Leather protection panels on the shoulders and elbows team with our standard CE-certified shoulder and elbow protectors to provide an unrivaled level of protection and abrasion resistance. Accordion stretch zones on the shoulders and elbows afford exceptional flexibility. Zipper ventilation on the front and back offer complete climate control, and Velcro adjustments on the upper arm, cuff, and waist allow for precise fitment. And internal and external pockets provide generous storage space. The TEC ST is breathable, lightweight, and waterproof. Superior all-weather protection, the TEC ST GORE-TEX jacket. Alpinestars, one goal, one vision.